This are fixing something. Okay, let's visit the house. That's the entrance. And before we paint. So you come in, this is the living room area. Or dining room, we're still kind of debating that. Huge window. Look at that window. Look at that. And outside. Then, he breaks something. Dining room. We're going to move that chandelier because, no. Window here, dining room. People come to visit, that will be the guest room. And the very strange closet contraption thing. Yeah, it's really strange. Window. We're going to have a guest bed here. Bathroom. And the windows, clean, new master cabinet. It's nice. Really nice counters too. Okay, it's gonna drain my battery. This place is huge. And onto the kitchen. Love this kitchen. Fridge, a lot of counter space. Stove, 2 sinks. Kosher cooking. The basement, something, but it's barred up so we can't go in. Whatever. Laundry room and ferret room. With windows. And a back door to the backyard. I can put some stuff here. It's backyard. Nice view of Abba's truck. And this backyard back there, but you can't see. So laundry room. On to the upstairs. My cat's gonna have a good time on these stairs. We arrive onto a little study area or whatever we're gonna do with it. More windows. I love this place. To leave the window here. Okay. It's not over. Another walk-in closet or something. We might want a bit of washroom here because it's just miles to the washroom. The window and the bedroom. The master bedroom. We have like the nice little glass door going on. So there you go. That's the master bedroom. Huge bedroom. Look at that. I love the walls too, and I love the ceiling. But I can't see what it's stucco art thingy. I love it. So window here. And 2 nice little corner windows. I love it. Here outside. Oh, there's the backyard. There's the garage and Abba's truck. And a huge backyard. Oh, this is ours with the willow in the middle. It is wonderful. So yeah. Just gonna run around this place. Now let's see how far to the bathroom from the bedroom if it's the middle of the night. Okay, we have to walk this way. Downstairs without breaking my... And remember, you have to go to the bathroom all the way. It's insane. Let's go see what I was doing. No, seriously, I love this place. This is probably going to be like a sky blue. You'll see after. And this is going to stay yellow, but lighter yellow than this. And this is what I was doing. He's taking apart the house already. So.
We can put another switch for a light here. Mazel tov.
So yeah, that's the house. It's the pre-cleaning, pre-painting house. Voila.